Okay guys, so the first bad habit I have for you is to overextend. And what this means is when you're playing post plant or retaking a site, you go too far solo. You don't play for trades, and that ends up losing you the round. You guys just have to play with your teammates no matter how bad they are, okay? That's just how you rank up. The next bad habit I have for you guys is to be always blaming your teammates for why you died. You have to accept that there's always something you could have done. Even if you get shot through smoke, you can always think, is this a predictable spot to be sprayed out of? There's always something you guys can do better. Just think about it. Another bad habit I see commonly is that people don't communicate to their teammates where they died, how much damage they hit them for, and if they healed or not. Keep this in mind. This can really help your teammates win and swing with the confidence if the enemy is low. My second last bad habit I have for you guys is to not be afraid to make plays. I see many players scared to do the non-obvious play. Doing things that people can consider brain dead can sometimes actually be the correct play. It can sometimes catch your enemy off guard, but I wouldn't recommend doing it over and over because people can adjust to it. My final tip for you guys is to be patient. Always use your util when you can. When you die and don't use util, that's obviously something you can do better. Just always think, can this util help me take site? Can this util help me retake? Should I flash this angle? Will this have won the gunfight if I did this? I hope these tips helped you, and if you truly want to rank up, I highly recommend you click this video. I'll see you there.